Hi guys, today we will work on some Linux projects and I create my Linux virtual machine on VirtualBox, and I'm going to first of all terminal, and we are using the Ubuntu version. Also you can see here, and this is my username, this is the version of the Linux. We can start first of all pwd command. What is pwd command? It shows the current working directory, which is here, and also to close the terminal we can use the exit command, and you can see it's closing, and you can open again the terminal here, and there is also a shortcut to open the terminal, which is Ctrl Alt and T. And I want to start creating files first. We will use touch command, and we can use the file name. I will choose the my file, and you can see your created files with listed file command, which is ls, and you can see here I created my file. And if you want to see the long version of it, lsl, and you can see the all file which is created in Linux system. And also what is including to this long list, we can see the permissions, file size here, and also owner of the files, which is VirtualBox user. And what about creating directory? We should use the mk directory, like make directory command, and we can use the my directory, and it will be same process, ls or lsl, which is we can see the here my dir I created. And what I can do, the next one, I want to mention also this one, if it is starting the letter D, which is directory, if it is starting with dash, which means files. And I can use the alias command. What is alias? And it's like enable or creating short commands for us, and you can see here the color type or other tools. And also we create the files, and we can remove the files also. We create also for it, we will use the remove, and my file, I use this name, and also we can remove the directory, and we can check again the ls. You can see there is no any file or directory under ls command, or you can see lsl, there is no any directory or file commands. It will be first project for us. I wanna keep second project also. Okay, I can keep working on the same terminal. I wanna show the, if I click here, change directory command and backslash, and also pwt. What was the pwt? It was showing to us the current working directory, which is here. And what is change directory command? It takes us to root of the file system, and which is the top of level the directory in the Linux. And also we can go through make directory. This time we can see the data 1 or 0, and if you type down the like this to create the directory, make directory, you will see the here the permission denied. Why we are seeing this one? Because the root directory, which is the backslash, is owned by another root, and or another root is normal user. So normal users cannot create the folder there, and we should use the super user or other name of the super users, administrator. How we are going to administrator? We will use the manual sudo command, and this sudo is important because it will go through administrator commands. So you can see here, if you type down other sudo commands, sudo h, sudo v, and you can read. Also, to quit from this page, just press the Q and you can go through back. And also sudo is like enable, or sudo allows us to run as a administrator, like I said. So instead of using the normal user, we will be administrator. So then we can create the directory data1 with sudo command, and you will see the difference. Make dir backslash data1, and like here you are not seeing the permission denied because you are not normal user anymore, and it will ask to your password, which is your password of the virtual machines. And after that you can check LSL, and we can check the here to find the data first, which is here. Like you see here, we create the data1 with administrator account, and also we can use the who mi command, which is showing to us the name of our computer or user's name. And also we can replace the usernames with sudo commands, but this time we should add next to sudo cham commands, and vbox user was our name, and instead of this we can do data first. Okay, so if I check ls command again, you will see the difference. So in here you can see our data first command, and if we compare the in here, you can see that instead of root we changed the name as a VirtualBox user. So when you are changing the username of the files, you should use the sudo cham command. So this command helping us, or this command change the owner of the directory from root to VirtualBox user with it. And there is also one more project I can keep here. we create already data first file, and we can check again ls. Yeah, it should be here. This is different type, the list of the files, and we can check the R files is here, and we can work on it. What we can do right now, we can use this command dh df -s. I will explain about this command. First of all, I need to type down server 1. So what is this command? This command is saving the disk information to a file, and also we can see here the df-h, which is showing our disk space usage, and also we have here another symbol which is redirection the output to a file, and also it creates the file server1, which is I use here. And how we can check we did this process, we can use the cat command data first or data1 server1. Like I said, I can, or we can see here the disk usage and information, because the output of the df-h was redirected into the file of the server1, so we can use the data usage here, or disk usage. And also why we are using this symbol, where is it, this symbol? This symbol means also overwriting on the files with the system information. And also we can use the uname -a data first server first. I think it should be correct. It will enable to overwrite on the file, so we can check again after this comment, and you will see what is the difference. Data 1 dash server 1. We couldn't see because I typed down wrong one. It should be server 1. Like I said to you, right now we can see the system informations with uname -a comments, and in here first of all we could see the disk usage, but here we can see the system information if we use the uname comments. And also you should know the append command, which is, it's like this append, but instead of typing the whole name we are using the symbols. We can work on the IP, so instead of the single one we are using the double. If we are using the double, which means append command, and data 1 server 1. So again we can check the data server. Like I said, if we are using the append command instead of overwriting to on the file, we are just showing the whole information, not overwriting on it. So what we should see, we can see system informations, and we can see network interfaces, and both outcomes not replacing, just showing us. And also we can use the pipes and grep command. For it I'm using ps aux, and sorry, my keyboard had a problem. So we can use grep systemd and append double d's backslash data1 and server1. Okay. What is the means here? PS aux, which is listing the running process, and what is here? The grep systemd, which is finding lines and containing the systemd, and we know also append, we did before, which is adding the results to the files, and that data1 and server1, this is file's name. And after that we can check the cat1, cat data server1, and you can see here the system information, network informations, and also systemd processing, and we use the appending instead of overwriting. And also we can use the history, which is showing to us the list of commands we run already so far. So first of all we did pwd exit cd for whole 3 projects. We use the whole these commands, and you can check with history commands with it. And last of all we can do exit, and which is closing to your terminal, or you can close directly from the X.